And before we get too far into the study of trigonometry and solving the right triangles and doing the math, we need to be speaking the same language. And so there's a certain collection of terms that we use that are exclusive to these kinds of right triangles. First, we're always going to be dealing with one angle that we know, the known angle. And for that, we use the Greek letter theta. It's a circle with a line through it. It's theta. It's like a T. You know, if you study another world language, they have different letters for different. The letters have different names. J in Spanish is jota, or an H is ache. Well, that symbol is the Greek letter theta, and it will always be the known angle. Whatever angle we're working with, or if we don't know any angles, the angle we're looking for. If we know like two of the sides, we can find the third angle. The other thing to mention is that this has to be a right triangle. That's non-negotiable. If it's not a right triangle, you can't use any of these properties that we're going to start with. The ones we'll do later, you can. Now, the three sides get names in reference to that known angle. They're hard. It's going to be confusing. The side, which is on the opposite side of the triangle, is called the opposite.
Are you saying the opposite side from theta?
Yeah. If you go to the opposite side of the triangle, I know it's a stretch, we call that side the opposite.
All these names.
I know. The side that is adjacent to the angle, meaning next to,
But which next to?
that's a good point,
Not the hypotenuse?
but not the hypotenuse. It's called the adjacent. Well, what were these math guys thinking? How are you supposed to remember that? And then, yeah, the hypotenuse, you guys have heard that term before. And that is always referred to as the side which is across the triangle from the right angle. So if the right angle is here, the side that's opposite it, it's also the longest of the three sides. Hypotenuse. Or H. And those are your three sides.